How to change audio quality on Spotify. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the audio quality on Spotify from low to high, easy and fast. All what you have to do, go to Spotify. Now this is the homepage as you can see. All what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on this wheel. Now go down until you find the audio quality option, and here is it. Now you can change your audio quality from here. It's set as automatic. Now you can choose very high or low if you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.